Welcome back again. See, in our previous class, we have discussed about radian measure, degree measure, how to convert radian measure into degree measure and degree measure into radian measure. And we also proved two important results. Okay. See, pi radians means 180 degree, and 1 radian. See, radian means we have defined the radian measure and degree measure, and we have proved that radian is less than 60 degree or it is a constant angle, and we have converted some of the given angles into radians, so radian into degree measure and degree measure into radian measure. So let's continue to convert some of the angles given in degree measure into radian measures. In this session, let us convert the given angles in degree measure into radian measures. So all the previous classes we have discussed about the theory points and some of the basic theorems. Okay, so in this session let us convert these angles. Okay, what is the question? So read the question. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ, ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟು radian measures. So what are the angles given? See, 25 degree, 240 degree, 520 degree, 225 degree, 150 degree, 330 degree. See, 7th one, minus 47 degree, 30 minutes. So minutes and degree. Then 8th, 40 degree, 20 minutes. So ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೆಜರ್, ಸೊ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೆಜರ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ to convert degree measure to radian measure. We have to multiply the angle. Okay, we have to multiply the angle by pi by 180. So there are two cases here. You can multiply the angle by pi by 180 or 180 by pi. Okay, so angle ಅನ್ನು 180 by pi ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ pi by 180 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. So let us consider first one. Okay, see, first one is given as ನೋಡಿ 25 degree. So 25 degree, we have to convert it into radian measure. So we have to multiply the angle. Okay, let me write the formula first. So we know the formula. What is the formula? So generally, so what we have written in our previous class, theta degree. So theta into pi by 180 radians. So to convert degree into radians, multiply the angle by pi by 180. So that is, in this case, it is given as 25 degree. So 25 means you replace the angle by 25. So 25 into pi by 180. Now you make the simplification. Okay, multiply the angle by pi by 180. So then, so we can multiply. So we can cancel this. 536 is 5 5 is. So that will be, okay, let me write it here, 5 by 36. See, even if I don't write radian, it is understood that it is radian measure. So 25 degree means it is converted into 5 pi by 36 radians. This is the first one. Then let us go for second one. See, second one is 240 degree is given. See, 240 degree. Observe ಮಾಡಿ, 240 degree. So 240 degree ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ pi by 180. So in the previous class we discussed this. So 240 into pi by 180, that becomes radians. So degree to radian. So now 0 cancel. 6 3s are 6 4s are. So that will be 4 pi by 3 radians. So 240 degree means that becomes 4 pi by 3 radian. So ನಾವು ಬರೆದ್ರು ಬರೀಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ 520 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸಿ, 520 ಇಂಟು pi by 180 ರೇಡಿಯನ್. ಸೊ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ 52 in the numerator, 18 in the denominator. So that is, we can cancel it by 2. So 2 9s are, okay, 2 9s are 18. Then 226 are. then 26 pi by 9. So that is 26 pi divided by 9 radian. Then let us go for fourth one. So what is the fourth one? See, 225 degree. I think it has been solved in the previous class. Anyway, let us see 225 into, so multiply the, see once again multiply the angle by pi by 1. First see the formula here. So that's why I told in the beginning, you have to refer all the previous video classes which we have discussed earlier, okay? So 225 by into pi by 180. So then now let us cancel this. So 5, okay, 536, then then 9 4s, 9 5s. So that will be what? 5, see 5 pi by 4. So 225 degree means that will be 5 pi by 4 radians. Then let me go for fifth one. See, fifth one is 150 degree. So also we have converted this in the previous class. Let's do it once again. 150 into pi by 180. So now let us cancel this 0. See, 3 9s, sorry, 3 6s, 3 5s. So that will be what? 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 radians. Then let us go for 330 degree. Okay, sixth one. So that is, okay, sixth one is 330 degree. We have to convert it into radian measure. So multiply the angle 330 by pi by 180. Observe this, 0 0 cancels. Now we can cancel it by, okay, 6, 3 6 18, 3 11s. So that will be what? 11 pi by 6 radian. See, 11 pi by 6 means that 330 degree. So if we want to say in degree, 330 degree is nothing but 11 pi by 6 radians. Then let us go for, okay, this sixth one is over. See, seventh, observe the seventh one. So given minus 47 degree, see 30 minutes. See, it involves degree and minute. So all these, see 1 to 6th, they are all degree measures. In this case, we have degree and minute. See, negative sign, minus 47 degree, 30 minutes. Okay. See, first of all, you observe this 30 minutes, this denotes minutes. So in our previous class, how do you convert this minute to degree? So we know, see, I will record here. See, this minute is there. You have to, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 47 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, or 60 minute ಗೆ 1 degree. So we know this 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. So here 30 minutes ನೋಡಿ, 30 minutes ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿ. So 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree means 30 minutes is equal to how much? So you cross multiply this, 30 divided by 60, okay, minutes. That will be 0 0 cancels here, 3 1s. So that will be what? Half minute. See, half minute. So 30, so that is 30, half degree. Okay, I will not degree. See, 30 minutes means half degree. Okay, so 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree means 30 minutes means half of that. That will be half degree. So now I can write this as minus, see, 47 degree. So instead of this 30 minutes, I can write this as half. See, half degree. Now both the units are same here. Okay. See, this degree and degree, minus 47 degree, half degree. Okay, then see, concentrate here. See, minus, I will write minus as it is. Now observe this. See, 47 degree, half, 47 and half degree. That means, so I can add this 47 plus half. So make it, so units are same. I can add this 47 and half. So I can add this. That is, I have converted it into degree. So minus half. Observe this, 47 plus half. So that is, I will do it here, 47 plus half. So take the LCM. No, LCM ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 47 plus half, that will be 47 and half. ಅಂದರೆ 47 and half ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಡಿ 2 ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ LCM. So multiply every term by LCM. You know this, So 47 into 2, 94 plus half into 2, 2 get cancelled, I get 1. So 94 plus 1, that will be what? 95 by 2. So that is 95 divided by 2 degree. So I got 95 by 2 degree. See, negative sign is outside. So minus 95 by 2 degree. See, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದರಿಂದ 6 ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, we can multiply angle by pi by 180. So I got 95 by 2 degree minus 95 by 2 degree. That is, I can multiply now the angle by pi by 180. ನೋಡಿ ಮೊದಲು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಸೊ ಅದು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ ನಾನು ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ LCM got 95 by 2. ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Let us convert this degree to radian by using this formula. So I can do it here. So negative sign is there. So that is minus, this is the angle. So multiply this angle by, so multiply the angle by pi by 180. So pi by 180, then it becomes radian. Okay, degree to radian. See, I am multiplying the angle by pi by 180. So we can simplify the inside quantity. Okay, I can cancel it by, okay, 5. So 536 519. Okay, 519 is 95. Now minus, I got, see, 19 pi divided by 2 into 36, that will be what? 72. So minus 19 pi by 72 radians is nothing but minus 47 degree 30 minutes. So you observe this. So I have converted to degree, then I can make it, see, 8th. So in the same way we can do that. So I will show it here only. See, 8th one. So 40 degree, see, 20 minutes is given. Okay, 40 degree, 20 minutes. We have to convert this into radian measure. Observe this. Now see, so I can write this as, see, 40 degree, see, 20 minutes. So once again, so observe this, you convert this minute to degree. See, 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. So 20 minutes is equal to, so how much? So you can cross multiply this, 20 divided by 60 minutes. Observe this, 20 divided by 60. So 20 by 60 means, if I cancel this, I will get, see, 1 by 3 minute. So now I can write this as 1 by 3, sorry, 1 by 3. I converted it into degree. Okay, minute to degree, 1 by 3 degree. Now see, both the units are same. So now I can add this 40 plus 1 by 3 degree. So as we have done in this problem. Okay, here 30 minutes was given. I have converted it to degree, half degree. So here 20 minutes means how much? 1 by 3 degree. So I add these two, take the LCM. Okay, I will show it here only. 40 plus 1 by 3. See, these are all basics. Nodi LCM ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ 3 ಆಯಿತು. So multiply every term by LCM. 40 into 3, that is 120 plus 1 by 3 into 3. So 3 get cancelled, I get 1. So I got 121 by 3. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಇದು? 121 divided by 3 degree. Now degree to radian. So degree to radian means multiply the angle by pi by 180. So 121 by 3 into, ನೋಡಿ, pi by 180. ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 121 by 3 into pi by 180. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋಣ. 121 pi divided by ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 3 into 180. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 540. ಸಿ 121 pi divided by 540 ರೇಡಿಯನ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಬರೀಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟರು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. Okay, I have not written radian, so now bitru kuda ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. So 40 degree 20 minutes means I got 121 pi divided by 540 radians. So only thing is we have to convert this minute into degree by using the 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. Okay, so note down the solutions of all this.